What's going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you'll be changing out your back brake lights as well as turn signals on the Chevy Traverse. It's probably about the same from the 2009 to about the 2017. The first thing you want to do is come back here. You'll see these little parts right here. You just want to take like a flathead screwdriver, like the little groove in there, and kind of just pop up on that. Once you do that, if you'll look inside of that hole right there, what you'll have is you'll have two screws. I've already taken the screws out of it, but they'll look just like this, and they're going to take a size 7 socket pretty much to take them out. You'll have one here and one down at the bottom. You just want to take those screws out. Once you do that, that'll be done. After you get these two screws out of it, now what you're going to want to do is kind of come around to the side of it, starting right here. And what you're going to want to do is just kind of take this right here and kind of pull back on your light assembly, your brake light assembly, like that, and it should come free just like that. If you can see right here, this little piece right here I'm pointing you to is going into this hole that's right there. So that's pretty much what you're pulling it out of, is that hole. So you're just kind of wiggling it and pulling it back out. Once you take those two screws out, you should be good. And now when you want to change out your actual brake lights itself, these are the brake lights that you're going to need for most of your Chevy Traverses from about the 09 to 2017, which is going to be, if you go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or something like that, the number is going to be a 74 or 43 pretty much. And it's pretty simple. Once you do that, you just want to come in here, turn that like that, and then your bulb should be out. And then what you're going to do is just kind of wiggle. Put this down. And you're just going to kind of wiggle your bulb, and it should pop out just like that. Then you're just going to take your new light bulb and stick it back in the same way you took the other one out. Also make sure that on your new bulbs that you use some type of gloves or something like that when you put it in, because you don't want to put grease in there like that onto your bulb, because if you do, it can make it burn out quicker. But once you have that bulb changed out, now of course if you need to change out your whole assembly right here, all you have to do right here now is come to this plug and squeeze that in and unplug that, and you'll have your whole assembly free, just in case you need to put a whole new brake assembly on your Traverse. When you're putting it back on, it's just a reverse process. You want to slide it back up inside of here like that. Make sure this little piece right here goes back into this hole right here. Make sure this goes in there, and then just line up your two screw holes, which are over here. You just want to line those two screw holes up and put your two screws back in it, and you're pretty much done. All right, folks, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.